Welcome to this POSSE training video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access the inspection manager, how to navigate through the assigned inspections on the manager, and then how to use the inspection manager to organize your assigned inspection tasks. Let's get started. To start, all we have to do is go to the Building Business menu and click on the Inspection Manager link. Takes a moment and then loads all inspections that are currently assigned to me in an easy to read grid. Now, I'm signed in as a building inspector, but this inspection manager can be used by any inspector, any user that has assigned inspections to them. The manager works like a to-do list, but instead of showing all things assigned, it only shows inspection processes. So first of all, let's talk about what we see here. We have a bunch of different columns with a lot of information on the inspections provided. And my screen's a little smaller, but I can scroll and see the specific location column on the right as well. Over here, we have links to open any of these inspections on the actual job that they're found on. And then we have columns that show different information. Permit number, TMK, the street, the full address, the name of the contractor, and other information like issued and last updated dates. We also have a few different functionalities here. We can generate a printable view of this list from the print option, and we can export the list to Excel if we need to see it in Excel. And then on the right, we have another text search filter like we've seen in other grids. Right now we're currently showing all 10 inspections assigned to me, but I can also type a value that I'm seeing anywhere in the grid. For instance, this time is written as PV, and it'll filter to only show these 2 of the 10. And this works for anything in the grid. Found Sparkman in the contractor there. To go back, we'll just hit the X. Now, as you can see, I am currently sorting by TMK street. And that's the order that is showing these inspections in. I can click the top of any column here to change that sort order, and click it again to reverse the order of that column. So I can make it in order of issue date or reverse order of issue date. I can also click and drag these columns to wherever I'd like them to be if there's a different order or organization that works better for me. More important information can be moved towards the front. So I can customize this however I like, and POSSE will remember my changes and show it the same way every time I re-enter the grid. You can also click the arrow on each column, change the sort order again from here. You can also show which columns you'd like to see and which ones you'd like to hide. If some information is not important to me, such as phase, I can just click the check marks, and then that column itself will just disappear. If I want to bring it back, I can just click it again, and that column re-emerges. Now there is also the order column over here, which I haven't discussed yet. This one's a custom column that allows you to set your own order for these inspections. If I click right here into the row, there's little arrows up and down where I can set a number or just type a number itself. Now if I was to sort by this column, I can set a custom sort order by simply changing these numbers. I can pick which ones I'd like to do in the order I'd like to do them. And then click and sort, and it will order by those numbers. So really quick and easy way to build out the order you'd like to do your inspections based on whatever is most convenient for you, and keep it sorted that way so you can stay organized. Now, as you can see down here below in the inspection detail section, that we can see information from each individual process right here on the inspection manager without having to navigate to it. Simply by clicking on the row itself, it will load information on that process, the description, the permit number, and a few other values into this lower inspection detail portion. You can even change the inspection zone, the scheduled date and scheduled time if you need to make modifications right from here. I could reschedule this one for today. Just click on that and click save. And that goes ahead and automatically updates that process for us. If we need to hide the inspection detail pane, we'll just click the close panel button over here. It'll just hide itself away, and if we want to bring it back, we'll just click that arrow again, and it comes right back to us. Now, I'd like to emphasize that this is intended to be used by inspectors to supplement the to-do list. It does not completely replace the POSSE to-do list. It's simply meant to be a more focused view, an efficient view of organizing and editing inspection processes quickly for those who manage lots of inspections at the same time. Now we've covered a little bit of ground, so let's recap. We opened the Permit Inspection Manager from the Building menu. We looked at all the inspections that are currently assigned and showed how to modify columns, move them back and forth, resize them, how to navigate and use the tools of the Inspection Manager, and how to open up individual processes and view them in the inspection detail. That's about it. Thanks for watching.